In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add notes to Rackspace Mail's Notes feature. You can use this for any notes that you want to keep and have quick access to. One good use for notes is that it gives you the ability to set up canned responses that you can paste into your email messages, and that's a real time saver if you spend a lot of time replying to support inquiries. So here's a first note that you can add. And you save it. Simple to add another note. Enter your subject and add your note. Save it. And it's a simple matter of deleting the notes that you don't need. And that's it. Hope you enjoy the tutorial and find it useful.